I never knew that the Tesla had such a wonderful sound when you have the turn signal engaged. You got to check this car out. It's crazy. Juan, why aren't you touching the steering wheel? Self-driving. That's awesome. Can you do the turn signal? Gonna switch lanes? What's that? That was the car. The car makes farting noises when it switches lanes. Dude, that is hilarious. I had to get a video of this, man, because I rode in a Model Y. See, look at that.
Cars are farting.
And his kids love this. It's awesome. It makes farting noises. But it's self-driving right now. Like literally. This is awesome.
I can fart.
Model Y.
Hello.
Very nice, Elon. I love your sense of humor.